13 years of a tumultuous Jaipur Literature Festival filled with joy, with colour, with the vibrancy and the sheer love of knowledge and literature.
The Jaipur Literature Festival is actually, it's set a benchmark in terms of where Literature Fest ought to be.
लोगों को लगता है कि यहाँ आना और इस तरह से एक ऑथर को सुनने के लिए बहुत लोग घंटों खड़े रहते हैं, तो इससे पता चलता है कि अभी भी नॉलेज का जो चाहत है वो अभी ख़त्म नहीं हुई है.
We had glamour, we had fun, we had joy, we had anger, we had protest. What in the Sanskrit tradition is called the Navras, where every human emotion is reflected upon.
When I come to the Jaipur Literature Festival, I feel like I walked in to a 3-star Michelin restaurant with absolutely no problem of bank balance. There's quality, there's quantity, and it's from all over the globe.
And then came the pandemic, which brought to a screeching halt the entire world.
With everybody locked down in their homes, in their countries, the Jaipur Literature Festival saw this as an opportunity to reinvent, to reimagine and represent itself in a digital format.
And out of this was born JLF's Brave New World.
In these times during COVID, when we're all sitting at home, it's sort of like a ray of light that we get to watch these amazing sessions when we can't all be together. It certainly brightens up my evenings.
आज पेंडेमिक में हम डिजिटली जयपुर लिटरेचर फेस्टिवल कर रहे हैं और मुझे लगता है कि हमारे सामने श्रोता नहीं है, हम आपस में बात कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उस फील को, उस उमंग को महसूस कर सकते हैं कि हजारों लाखों लोग हमसे जुड़े हुए हैं, हमको सुन रहे हैं और कहीं ना कहीं कोई एक सार्थक हस्तक्षेप हो रहा है.
160 episodes later and 4.8 million views, people who came online to view and listen to our incredible speakers from across the world, we were able to continue in our tradition of ensuring the free flow of knowledge and information.
I think the very mention of JLF and the tradition of JLF energizes even when one has no live audience before one, when one is interacting, one still remembers. There's a deep memory of what the JLF has brought us over the years, and that is with us even when we are sitting at home and talking with just a couple of other persons.
It's wonderful that the Jaipur Literature Festival has responded to the pandemic by continuing to exist.
The Jaipur Literary Festival obviously is one of the most iconic literary festivals in the world, and they've done a great job.
Arriving virtually seems like a wonderfully sort of egalitarian and democratic thing to be able to do.
India has always had a tradition of performed and spoken literature as well as written literature. There are two, in a sense, different ways of imbibing literature. One is the written word, whether on stone or in an epigraph or on a book, on a page. But there's also always been this long tradition of oral recitation of work, whether in ancient Sangam performances at the courts of Tamil Nadu, or whether in the mushairas of the Mughal court. And today, I think, in many ways, we're fulfilling that function, allowing authors to perform their work. But there's also this thing of having rational debate.
As we look ahead to the Jaipur Literature Festival 2021, bringing together a slew of incredible writers and speakers from across the world, we know we have a challenge. We will try and convey the same energy by shooting at Diggi Fort and Diggi Palace in Jaipur and bringing to you some of the most spectacular sessions that we've coined.
I still wear the scarf that I was given at the Jaipur Literary Festival because it brings back a memory of those joyous book-loving crowds, the wonderful other writers from around the world. I've never had another experience like it.
When I was last at the Jaipur Literature Festival, I inhaled so much goodness that I'm still working through it, and I miss it when I think about it.
With people happy to experience festivals in the comfort of their homes, we will offer that to you. And to all those who will come out and experience the live version on the ground in the Diggi Palace, in the Diggi in Jaipur, we will be delighted to welcome you there.
Festival. I get invited to festivals all over the world, and by far this is one of my favorite.
These are the greatest writers of our day on your screen for free at the Jaipur Literature Festival.
We need your support, especially now. We look forward to you joining us online for the Jaipur Literature Festival digital version.